Welcome, dear friends. Today I bring you a warm X-Mix story wrapped in a soft felt fabric. It's a table of creativity, kindness, and how a simple felt craft can touch many hearts. Sit back, relax, and let the story fill your day with magic. In a quiet little town lived a teenage girl named Mera who adored crafting with felt. Her grandmother had gifted her a wooden box filled with colorful scraps. So, but as she opened her grandmother's felt box, she whispered, "Maybe I can create X-Mix myself." And so, with determination and a little sparkle in her eyes, Mira began crafting. She cut tiny stars from yellow felt, gently stitched little heart with red thread. Mira began crafting. She cut tiny stars from yellow felt, gently stitched little heart with red thread, made gingerbread men, snowflakes, candy cans, and mini stocking, and all from felt scraps. Every stitch carried love, patience, and hope. The kitchen floor became a sea of soft shapes, and Mira's fingers moved like an artist painting with thread. When the crafts were ready, Mira decorated their small Xmas tree, the same one they had used for years. The felt stars glowed softly in the warm lights. The little hearts swayed gently with the breeze. The gingerbread men looked almost real, smiling in their cozy felt charm. Her mother watched quietly, eyes shining, and whispered, "You made our X-Mix beautiful, Mira." Just as Mira finished decorating, someone knocked on the door. It was Mira. It was Mira the elderly neighbor who lived alone. She had seen the colorful decorations from her window and wanted a closer look. When she stepped inside, her breath caught. The room glowed with handmade warmth. The felt decorations looking like tiny hugs hanging on the branches. Mr. Elder touched a felt star gently and said, "My husband used to make felt toys every Xmas that remind me of him. I'm talking about Mrs. Elder." Overwhelmed, Mira took a deep breath and offered her a felt heart. Mrs. Elder had in her wrinkled hands and a smile filled with memories and gratitude. The simple felt heart meant more to her than any expensive gift ever could. That night, as the snow fell softly outside, Mira realized something beautiful. Felt is not just fabric, it's a warmth, comfort, softness. It's the kind of craft that carries emotion stitched inside it. Her felt decoration did not just brighten her home, they brought joy, memories, and connection. And every Xmas after that, Mira continued the tradition. Not because she had to, but because she learned the true magic of crafting. You don't need much to make something meaningful. Just felt, thread, and a heart full of love. Thank you for listening this beautiful story. May your felt craft, big or small, bring warmth to your home and joy to every heart around you. May your home fulfill with craft. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. I wish your home fulfilled with love, creativity, and many more you want to have in your life. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Welcome, dear friends.